Hello, I'm Dan Hunt, and I come with a rich background of more than a decade in real estate software development, in addition to extensive experience in the broader software development and technology industry. Over the years, I have witnessed the challenges and inefficiencies that exist within the real estate sector, but also the vast potential for innovation and improvement. My interest in emerging technologies led me to explore the realm of blockchain and its transformative potential for industries worldwide, particularly for real estate. I'm here to introduce Block Estate. Our mission is to provide solutions that streamline real estate processes, eliminate inefficiencies, reduce costs, and promote transparency and trust. With our approach, we aim to demonstrate that blockchain is more than a buzzword. It is a tool that can redefine the way we conduct real estate transactions and set new standards in the industry. Please join me as we delve deeper into the concept, strategy, and potential of Block Estate. Welcome to the future of real estate. Complexity of transactions. Our story begins with Jane, an experienced realtor in Arizona. She's navigating the intricate labyrinth of property transactions every day, collaborating with a variety of parties from agents, inspectors, appraisers, to loan officers. The system, as it stands, is riddled with complexity, making each transaction a time-consuming endeavor. Limited transparency. In her diligence, Jane often encounters inconsistencies between MLS data and county records. This lack of transparency is a frustrating issue, causing delays, confusion, and reduced trust in the system. Centralized control. The real estate market's control is often centralized in the hands of a few entities. This centralized approach can limit competition, innovation, and consumer choice, putting agents like Jane and their clients at a disadvantage. High entry barriers. Jane frequently interacts with potential investors eager to step into the real estate realm, but they're deterred by the high entry costs and the intimidating complexity of the process. It's a tough market for newcomers, no doubt. These pain points underscore the urgent need for a solution that can cut through this complexity, increase transparency, decentralize control, and lower entry barriers. That's where we step in with our blockchain-based solution, Block Estate. Unified property records. Let's imagine a world where Jane's work process is significantly simplified. She's interacting with a client who's interested in a property. Instead of juggling between the MLS and county records and hunting for the scattered data, Jane now pulls up an all-inclusive, blockchain-certified history of the property in question. This unified record holds every bit of necessary information, from results of inspections and appraisals to a transparent history of the title, easily verifiable for any possible claims or liens. The blockchain's decentralized and immutable nature allows this accuracy and transparency, leading to accelerated and smoother transactions. Cryptocurrency for transactions. With this strategy, the payment and transfer of assets become streamlined and secure thanks to the integration of cryptocurrency. This results in not just quicker transactions, but it also significantly cuts down the chances of fraudulent activities. It provides both Jane and her clients with a greater sense of security and trust in the process, making the buying and selling experience much more straightforward and efficient. Leveraging decentralized finance. Possibly the most exciting part of this strategy is how it democratizes the real estate marketplace using decentralized finance. This approach allows fractional property investments, literally breaking down the barriers to entry in the real estate market. Imagine Jane's clients being able to invest in lucrative real estate deals without the need for hefty upfront capital. It opens the door to a whole new category of investors, broadening the reach of the real estate market and stimulating economic growth. These elements of the blockchain strategy can revolutionize the real estate landscape. It enhances transparency, simplifies processes, and opens the market to a larger demographic, all while maintaining security and trustworthiness. Revolutionizing real estate. Let's talk about the impact of blockchain on property transactions. County records and blockchain. In the proposed strategy, county records play a pivotal role. Today, the processing, recording, and management of deeds and public records is a manual, time-consuming, and often complicated task for county authorities. They maintain these crucial databases but are limited by the traditional systems in use. Now, imagine if these records were put on a decentralized, blockchain-powered platform like Block Estate. Firstly, the decentralized nature of blockchain means the records aren't stored in a single, centralized database but spread across a network, significantly reducing the chances of data loss or corruption. The system would provide county authorities with a simple, efficient method to record deeds, maintain property records, and distribute access to these records as needed. Moreover, the incorporation of smart contracts could automate many aspects of the record management process, enhancing efficiency, reducing human error, and expediting services for the public. An added benefit is the increased trust in these records due to the immutable nature of blockchain. Multiple listing service, realtors, and blockchain. When it comes to the multiple listing service and realtors like Jane, they stand to benefit greatly from this blockchain strategy. The multiple listing service could seamlessly pull in accurate, blockchain-verified data from county records, ensuring the information provided to realtors and potential buyers is trustworthy and up-to-date. For Jane, this could revolutionize her work process. She would have immediate access to a property's comprehensive history, certified by blockchain and pulled in from county records through the MLS. This would not only reduce her workload and make her more efficient, but also provide an elevated level of service to her clients, benefiting other stakeholders. The benefits don't stop at county records, the MLS, and realtors. Various stakeholders in the real estate transaction process, such as inspectors, appraisers, title companies, and mortgage lenders, can leverage this system to streamline their processes. Inspectors and appraisers could upload their reports directly to the blockchain, making them readily accessible to all authorized parties. Title companies could conduct title searches more efficiently, as all the information would be readily available and verifiable on the blockchain. This system could also simplify the process for mortgage lenders, providing them with easily accessible and reliable data to base their decisions on. Overall, integrating blockchain technology through the block estate strategy can significantly streamline and enhance the real estate transaction process for all parties involved, opening up new possibilities and efficiencies across the sector. Measuring success is crucial for the progression and improvement of any project. By setting clear and measurable metrics, we can evaluate the performance of our blockchain strategy and make adjustments as necessary. It allows us to quantify our achievements, identify areas of improvement, and demonstrate the value our blockchain platform brings to the real estate industry. 1. Number of transactions completed on the platform. A direct way to evaluate adoption is by tracking the number of transactions executed on our platform. Jane, for example, can note the growing volume of deals she's been closing using the blockchain system compared to traditional procedures. A steady increase indicates not just widespread acceptance, but also trust in the platform's ability to streamline real estate transactions. 2. Reduction in transaction time and cost. Blockchain's promise lies in its potential to make processes more efficient. Therefore, a significant reduction in the time it takes Jane to finalize each deal would be a crucial measure of success. By minimizing human error and cutting out middlemen, we expect to see significant cost savings as well. Jane can quantify these savings and directly correlate them to the use of our blockchain platform. 3. Increase in the user base and volume of decentralized finance investments. The rise in user base signifies the platform's capacity to attract new users and retain existing ones. Moreover, by promoting decentralized finance, we're opening the door to fractional real estate investment. An uptick in such investment activities on our platform is a clear testament to our success in democratizing real estate investments. 4. Seamless integration with existing systems via APIs. For our blockchain platform to add value, it should augment existing workflows, not disrupt them. The ease with which Jane and other stakeholders can integrate their current systems with our blockchain platform, thereby simplifying processes like accessing property histories or verifying title records, is a key performance indicator. Successful integrations would be a strong sign that our blockchain strategy aligns well with the existing real estate transaction ecosystem. Block Estate, as a decentralized autonomous organization, operates in a radically different way compared to traditional companies. It is a self-governing entity with no central leadership. Decisions get made by consensus, guided by a set of business rules called smart contracts encoded into the blockchain. Imagine an Arizona-based real estate agency deciding to use Block Estate for its property transactions. Block Estate doesn't have a traditional organizational structure. Instead, it's a network of individuals, developers, realtors, county record officers, title companies, and anyone who transacts within this ecosystem who are part of the decision-making process. This structure enhances transparency and collective ownership, fueling a dynamic ecosystem where everyone has a stake. In this decentralized ecosystem, Block Estate generates revenue through the transaction fees it charges for its services. Every time Jane, the realtor, closes a deal on the platform, or when a county records a new deed, a small fee gets charged. These fees then get distributed among the stakeholders according to predetermined rules in the smart contracts. Let's take Jane's example. As she uses the platform, she is not just a user but also a stakeholder. As such, she shares in the profits from transaction fees. This income supplements her regular commission from real estate deals, incentivizing her active participation in the ecosystem. State and local governments, on the other hand, benefit from a streamlined, secure, and cost-effective platform for maintaining public records. They may choose to support Block Estate through subsidies or other funding models, given the significant public benefit it provides. Even though Block Estate follows a decentralized model, it upholds the philosophy of being a service provider. It works with the real estate industry, offering solutions to long-standing problems and contributing to the overall efficiency and transparency of the industry. In doing so, it embodies the true essence of a decentralized autonomous organization, an organization of the people, by the people, for the people. Looking ahead, we can foresee Block Estate paving the way for more innovative applications of blockchain technology. As a decentralized autonomous organization, it would serve as a benchmark for other industries, illustrating how decentralized models can foster a more inclusive and fairer economy. Let's talk about implementing a blockchain strategy in real estate and navigating regulatory considerations. I will outline the steps to implement a blockchain strategy in the real estate industry while considering key regulatory and policy considerations. By navigating these factors, we can ensure compliance, foster innovation, and build trust in the blockchain ecosystem. 1. Compliance with data privacy laws. To ensure compliance with data privacy laws, such as the General Data Protection Regulation, it is essential to engage legal experts specializing in data privacy. Collaborate with these experts to develop and implement privacy-enhancing features within the blockchain infrastructure. Implement mechanisms for data anonymization, user consent management, and user rights, enabling individuals to access, correct, and delete their personal data. By prioritizing data privacy, we establish trust with users and meet regulatory obligations. 2. Potential regulatory changes for blockchain and cryptocurrency. We will stay proactive in monitoring potential regulatory changes that may impact the business model or software as a service offering. Establish a dedicated regulatory affairs team to track legislative developments and engage with industry associations and regulatory bodies. Perform regular assessments to evaluate the potential impact of regulatory changes on the blockchain platform. Adapt the business model and software accordingly to ensure compliance with any new requirements and maintain a flexible approach to future regulatory shifts. 3. Specific real estate transaction laws. We will partner with legal experts specializing in real estate transaction laws to thoroughly understand the legal landscape. Research local, national, and international regulations governing property transfers, title registrations, and other key aspects of real estate transactions. Incorporate necessary mechanisms within the blockchain platform to ensure compliance with jurisdiction-specific regulations. Focus on smart contract enforceability and the integration of legal requirements into the digital ecosystem to provide a seamless and legally sound experience for real estate transactions. By following this implementation plan, we can navigate the regulatory considerations associated with implementing a blockchain strategy in the real estate industry, complying with data privacy laws, staying informed about potential regulatory changes, and incorporating specific real estate transaction laws into the blockchain platform will foster compliance, innovation, and trust. By working closely with legal experts and remaining adaptable, we can create a robust and legally sound blockchain ecosystem that revolutionizes real estate transactions while adhering to regulatory requirements. Embarking on an enterprise like Block Estate needs more than an innovative idea. It also demands a firm financial underpinning. Discovering the appropriate blend of funding sources is akin to piecing together an intricate puzzle. Each component, while crucial, brings its unique challenges and advantages. Finding the perfect match can be as thrilling as it is challenging. Venture capital financing. Consider venture capital firms like Andreessen Horowitz that focus on fostering blockchain startups. This path offers the potential for a significant influx of capital, industry knowledge, and a network of partners and customers. However, it's important to remember that accepting venture capitalists often means surrendering some control over business decisions and committing to deliver high returns on their investment. Grants from Protocol Labs. Seeking grants from organizations like Protocol Labs through their Filecoin Developer Grants program can provide financial support and add credibility to our project. These grants are generally equity-free, meaning we maintain full ownership and control of Block Estate. Nevertheless, competition for such grants is high, and securing them can be a lengthy, meticulous process. Local and state-level funding. Local and state-level funding, such as the Arizona Innovation Challenge run by the Arizona Commerce Authority, is a viable option for our technology platform. This type of funding can provide a substantial boost, although it often comes with attached requirements like specific milestones or reporting obligations. Revenue through consulting fees, subscription fees, and transaction fees. Generating revenue through our operations can give us the freedom to navigate Block Estate in the direction we believe is the best. Offering consulting services, imposing subscription fees, and implementing transaction fees on our platform, mirroring models used by IBM Blockchain Services and Ether's decentralized finance applications, can sustain and grow our business. However, balancing revenue generation with user experience and market competitiveness will be crucial. In conclusion, the journey to finance Block Estate will be filled with strategic decision-making, careful negotiations, and possibly a few hard lessons. But with every challenge we conquer, we'll inch one step closer to transforming our vision into reality. Block Estate Implementation Plan. Stage 1. Assemble a cross-functional team. Before embarking on any major venture, it's essential to assemble a team that can effectively bring the project to fruition. For Block Estate, this means a cross-functional team comprising blockchain developers, real estate professionals, business strategists, legal counsel, and public relations experts. An ideal candidate for the blockchain development team would be someone with experience in building decentralized applications, preferably with exposure to property-related projects. We need real estate professionals who can guide the team on industry nuances, the intricacies of transactions, and the needs of various stakeholders. Our strategists should be skilled in navigating startup environments, raising capital, and scaling new ventures. Given the novel and complex legal landscape around blockchain, a legal expert specializing in this area is a must. Finally, public relations professionals will ensure our message resonates with our target audience, partners, and potential investors. Stage 2. Launch a pilot project in Arizona. The next step is to start small with a pilot project. Arizona, with its openness to technology innovation, is the ideal starting ground. In the initial phase, the focus will be on creating a digital, blockchain-based repository for county property records. This phase will involve working closely with the county record offices, understanding their current systems and processes, and then designing and implementing a blockchain solution that integrates smoothly with their operations. As the solution matures, we will gradually add features, such as the ability for other stakeholders like the multiple listing service, title companies, lenders, appraisers, inspectors, and others to add and access data. This phased approach allows for testing and refining the system based on feedback from early users before expanding to more complex scenarios and broader audiences. Stage 3. Engage with stakeholders. Throughout the project, continuous engagement with various stakeholders is crucial. Stakeholder engagement includes not only the end users of the system, but also state and local government entities, potential investors, and the general public. The goal is to ensure that the platform is designed and developed to meet their needs and expectations. Regular meetings and updates with county record offices will facilitate their transition to the new system. Demonstrations and training sessions can help them understand the benefits of the platform and how to use it effectively. Outreach to the real estate industry, including MLS and title companies, will help ensure that the platform is compatible with their existing systems and adds value to their operations. Similarly, engagement with financial institutions will be essential for incorporating financing aspects into the platform. Lastly, a robust public relations and marketing strategy can help build excitement and support for the platform among potential investors and the broader public. Once these stages are successfully executed, Block Estate can look towards further expansion. This could include bringing more stakeholders onto the platform, integrating with more third-party systems via APIs, and even expanding beyond Arizona to other states. Each phase will be a step towards revolutionizing the real estate industry, making transactions more efficient, secure, and transparent. Well, that concludes my presentation. I hope you found it interesting. It has a lot of information in that presentation to consume. But I can tell you, it's never going to be the concepts, the innovative ideas, the technology that will slow us down. Those won't be the biggest problems to solve. Those are the easy things. The technology has been here for a while. And there's been several companies who have been trying to put something similar in place and not made good progress. And the problem really comes down to is an industry culture, a human culture, a traditional culture. That's what's going to prevent new concepts entering into an industry or a line of business. People get too caught up in their old ways of doing things. And I hope it doesn't take a generation to realize some of this technology because it's available today. And if we have to, my suggestion is not to focus on the technology and actually present good solutions built on the technology. You can't use the words to a company or an industry and say blockchain's your answer because it's by itself it's not. What you need to do is describe the solutions built on the technology. Leave off the word blockchain. Leave off the word AI. It's not what those technologies are. It's what the services can offer the people. And we need to give back to humanity in some fashion. It's not putting these pieces in place that will have an instant return. These are long-term returns. You need to invest in the foundation. You need to give the foundation away. You need to establish a procedure and processes that people understand. But the downstream benefits, they're going to be tremendous. If you own the foundation, and I'm not saying we own the foundation, we give the foundation away. It's the services, the businesses that we built on the foundation are going to be tremendous. I can't even calculate it. Any investment you put into this foundation is going to return 1,000 times, maybe 10,000 times your investment, but it will take some time. Thank you, and I hope you found this presentation interesting. You can always find me on LinkedIn. I'm Dan Hunt. See you later.